Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use bay leaves for hair growth and prevent hair loss, and how to make this rinse or tonic. Now, bay leaves is an aromatic spice, an herb that is usually added in dishes, but didn't you know that bay leaves has the ability to boost your hair growth and strengthen your hair follicles? And there are some anecdotal evidence that suggests that it can help treat dandruff, reduce hair loss. Plus, it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help with itchy and irritated scalp. Also, bay leaves can help prevent and get rid of head lice. And to this, I'm going to add in tea tree oil. Now, this oil has been effective in treating bald spots and is a natural cleanser that unclogs the hair follicles to help nourish the hair roots and stimulate hair growth. It also has some antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that is great for keeping your scalp healthy and prevent dandruff. And then lastly, I just had to add this, but I'm going to add in the rosemary oil because this is one of those underrated oils that is very effective in regrowing the hair and as well preventing hair loss. Not only that, it can also help strengthen the hair, and it's also a great cure if you're suffering from dandruff. Alright, now let's make the rinse / the tonic. Now, I highly suggest that you use a pan that you don't mind the scent lingering, because these oils and the bay leaves can actually make your pan smell like herbs for days. Not unless you're fine with that, then that's okay. So now in here, I'm gonna pour about 2 cups of water in there, and then I added in bay leaves, and then I put about 3 drops of the rosemary oil, and then also 3 drops of the tea tree oil, and then I just let it simmer for about 30 minutes, and then let it marinate in there for about an hour without the heat. After it cooled down, I went ahead and filtered out the leaves from the rinse / tonic. So this is what it looks like. And once again, I just put it in a spray bottle just for easy application. But you guys, it is best to actually soak your scalp and hair in it. And as I've said, if you want your hair to grow faster, or if you're battling dry and itchy scalp, or if you're dealing with dandruff, then it is best to focus this just on your scalp. You can also use this as a last rinse or just wash it out with water. It is also best to use this on clean hair and not dirty hair. So before you use this, go ahead and shampoo your hair and then do this rinse and tonic. I also like that it has a nice cooling sensation on the scalp when you use this. This is one of those tonics or rinse that doesn't leave any pungent smell on your hair at all. And after you use this, you'd really feel that your scalp is super clean. And also, this is one of those rinses that does not leave any residues on your scalp, and it does not dry out your hair as well. And recently, I have been focusing on the health of my scalp because my goal is to grow healthy hair and also prevent hair fall and stop the excessive hair fall. So it is a must that my hair follicles are in good condition too. And I noticed that my scalp has recently, it has been dry and have been dealing with like flakiness. And I also like that this has made my hair softer, especially the top part. And I also like that this is very easy to make, and you can also store the leftover in the fridge and use it next time. I find that this has a long shelf life compared to the other rinses, as long as you put that in the refrigerator to preserve it, of course. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend. And I will see you on my next one. Bye. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video. So once again, if you all found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend. And I will see you on my next one.